Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a OD, welcome back. Boo. So you guys, in today's video, I know it's been a minute though, but I gotta tell you guys about these bomb waves. So if you want to know more information about this unit, go ahead and continue watching.
Been that shit.
Crazy curvy wavy big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy wavy big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy wavy big titties, little waist body. Crazy curvy wavy big titties, little how about that? Ate it up and gave it back. Gave it look good, but they still wanna know we're making it. Like
this is another Amazon wig. I have worked with this company before, YsDidWigs. I will leave all their information down in the description box. You guys, this is how it come packaging in this little cute little bag, you guys. And yes, and when I tell you, when y'all see these waves, oh my god, on this unit. Also, you seen in the video they sent me 2 headbands as well. Do y'all see these waves? Like, period, they just popping, you guys. So I was very excited to receive this unit. So guys, let's get into more detail about this wig. So you guys, this is of course a headband wig, deep wave, Brazilian hair, non-lace front wig, and it's 150% density, natural color, 20 inches. And you guys, they come with the standard combs, 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and of course the actual headband. So you guys, I went on and tried it on. I didn't do my edges on camera or anything like that. This is straight out the box. I haven't applied any type of product or anything like that. I just applied it on. So you guys, in the next clip, you're gonna see my daughter applying water. And I just did plain water, but do you guys see how these curls is looking? Like, they popping even without the water, with the water. You guys, I purchased this bottle off Amazon. Like I told you guys, I've just been on Amazon like crazy. It's a little bit more cost. It costs a little bit more than your average water bottle, but I love it because your hair don't get so drenched. You don't have to worry about your hair just leaking or your shirt getting wet. It works very well, you guys. And I will leave that link down below if you are interested. You guys, I can see myself really purchasing some bundles like this because, baby, in the summertime, this probably would be my hair. Like, this might be my hair, y'all. But look, guys, look, it looks amazing. It's amazing. I was like really acting crazy about this hair because I was really enjoying it.
Me too.
So you guys see, I was being a little bit too dramatic. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have more videos to come. And also, you guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave in the comment section. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.